Welcome, here I've got LG Wing and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's just simply slide a little bit down to the useful features, and here we have the grid option. So by using this button we can easily turn on the camera grid lines and another tap to turn them off when we don't need them. Now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera preview to see it. And as you can see, we have these lines now. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the left to the button that follows us to the gallery, we can't see them at the real picture. So the grid lines are only to help us taking better photos. And of course, when we don't need them, we can easily tap to the left corner once again, slide again to the useful features and use this button to turn them off, and in the camera preview now they have gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.